Children, you must have heard the two audio clips which I had posted. Audio clip first one told you about the importance of light. Without light, we cannot see anything around us. And the second audio clip recalled you about luminous and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are which emit light on their own. For example, sun, stars, lighted candle, lighted bulb, etc. And what about non-luminous objects? Non-luminous objects are those which do not emit light on their own. So, these were two types of objects which you learnt in audio clip 2. Now finally, let's see what is light. Light is the form of energy which gives you the sensation of sight or seeing, and it plays an important role in our life. Further, we recapitulate different types of objects. First one is transparent object. For example, you take a glass, crystal clear glass, and keep in front of your face. Are you able to see through it? Yes, you can see through it completely. So, such objects are said to be transparent objects, that is, through which light can pass completely. For example, glass, water, air, etc. Then comes your translucent objects. You take a tracing paper, or you must have seen a butter paper. Just keep it in front of you and try to see through it. Are you able to see clearly? No. You see hazy. You are not able to see the things clearly. Such objects are said to be translucent objects through which light passes partially. For example, butter paper, frosted glass. This glass is used in the window pane of your washroom. Then comes your lastly opaque object. Object through which light cannot pass, but if it falls on it, it comes back in the same medium. For example, planets, moon, table, chair, etc. Now, here I have written moon. You must be thinking, moon shines. How does it shine? You must be very well aware of it. Moon reflects the light of the sun, and so it shines. Otherwise, it is an opaque object. Now I am asking you a question. That give the examples of three types of the object. Yes, so those three types are transparent object, translucent and opaque object.